Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a delicious recipe from plantain and gizzard, which they call gizzard dodo. It is so delicious that you can eat it like that as a meal. You can eat it with your friends. So I am going to use gizzard. It is already washed, so then I have red bell pepper, I have pepper too, and then I have onion, I have plantain, and I'm going to cook the the gizzard. Add onions and anything you like to eat to parboil, just to boil and cook it, and you have to set it aside. So next time that I will be cooking this, I would not add anything. I'll add only salt. So just add anything, Maggi, everything that you want. I'm adding bay leaf to make it softer quickly. So I am adding black pepper, and I will allow you to cook. After cooking, I have to set them aside. By bringing it out, I will bring it out from this pot and set it aside because I'm going to use this pot to make the sauce. So I am going to cut the plantains and cut them in cube sizes, and you can cut as you like. You can cut in big sizes. I am cutting mine in cube sizes, and then here you go. Look at how it looks like. So I'm also going to set it aside for frying. So you want to add salt. I added salt to this and I stirred it. Yes, add salt and stir. So I am going to cook this red bell pepper. I am going to cook them, and I don't want to add water when I'm blending. So that is why I'm going to cook them with a very small water in a very low heat as well. Then after it must have cooked, I will then use my small I'm going to change this blender. I'm going to use my small food processor and then blend it up and set it aside as well. So you want to blend yours roughly, or you can blend yours plain like that. Mine is roughly. So I am going to fry the plantain. I'm going to fry this plantain, and after it must have finished frying, I am also going to bring it out and place it in a paper towel and then set them aside as well, because I am about to fry the tomato for the sauce. So you can, well, as long as it's golden brown, it is ready. And then I am going to add little oil to my pan, and then the oil that I used for the plantain, that is what I'm going to use. So I am going to then add the peppers and the paprika, red bell pepper, paprika, what can anyone is suitable. Then I'm going to add thyme and chicken stock powder. So I'm going to then stir, and then I'm going to add pomo. This comes now. I'm going to add pomo to this. This is optional because I just want to add pomo to this recipe. So it's an idea for you, so you can do it. It's so delicious. So I added the gizzard, cooked gizzard, and then I'm going to turn them. Here is when you can add more. I am going to add more Maggi to this and then I added other things to it. Please add Maggi. I can't find that video, it's not showing, so you can add Maggi, and there are other things to eat what you want. So then you now stir them together and it's ready. Add salt if it is ready, if you want. So I added extra chicken stock powder here and it's ready. Just turn them, and you can choose not to add it because there is still stock powder in the when I cooked the gizzard. So I am going to garnish it with this green bell pepper that I've got and set aside before. So I am going to now stir, and it's ready. It is ready, and it is really yummy, and the one makes it very yummy. And thank you for watching my video. Until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye bye.